Hello everyone, this is me and this is day 4 of Project 1. So as you can see, I have written a bit of more code. So this is the code I've written. So okay, see, let me just explain really quick. So MP hands is of course a variable. It uses this this is this hands becomes like a function. So see, this you see this mp dot solution dot hands. See, I'm using my environment. No, what? I'm not using VNV. Uh, my env2. Uh, yeah, I'm using my env2. So in my env2, there was what do you say? In library, see library side packages. There's mp is my media pipe. So see media pipe and solutions is stored in the python tab, solutions, and then that's hands.py. See, this is the hands. So see, this is the thing that I wanted to show. So it tracks basically like this. So let's see if I have an image. Yeah, five and tracking. Yep, like this. See, this is the exact thing. See, 0 is like the west. Okay, of course, I guess it's written already. Yeah, 0 wrist, and there's like 21 from 0 to 20. That's 21. Okay, so these are all the stuff that are written. Super cool code. One challenge that I was facing. So you see this. Where was it? Yeah. You see this. All these libraries in Python. Actually, what happened was in the MediaPipe latest edition, so I was just as an arrow. So in MediaPipe latest edition, they for efficiency turned that Python scripts to various C++ and machine language stuff. So it was not very visible. So like this python file was not there. So what they did was they compiled this stuff into very optimized code that of course is not readable by me because it is optimized in the backend for a lot of time. So what I did was I uninstalled the version of media player I had and installed an lower version, which is I'm using 0.10.13. Yeah, this version. So to really quick sum it up again, so this is the code that I now wrote. So what is this? Okay, image RGB is of course the variable or the object. You could call this the object. So it is using OpenCV and CVT color. So it's like a color module. So what I have an image. See, what happens is that OpenCV this thing in stores this thing in uh, stores. Okay, got it. It stores the frames in PRG. So that's blue, red, and green. Okay, so that he it stores it in BRG. So, but the media pipe can only understand. It is made to understand RGB. So we are converting this. So what we are doing is we are telling to swap the blue with red and swap the red with blue. BGR. Oh, okay. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, okay. My bad. Okay, okay. You understand what I mean, right? So what is happening is it is swapping VGR to RGB, and as a result, the blue and red part are being swapped, and the red and blue part are being swapped, and this RGB can now be used by MediaPipe. Okay, that. So what was happening was see this thing. I was following this tutorial, and I thought if I just keep following it, okay, let's say I understand 100% of what is going on here, but if I just keep understanding it, I won't actually develop any skill. It is like I know what is this when I see it, but if I close my eyes, I can't exactly tell you how to do this again. So what I'm thinking is, let's say this part. Okay, first half, let's say when hand tracking is complete, or chapter one is complete. Um, okay, let's see if I can finish chapter one in the this today. So let's see what I've been thinking of doing is after every new thing, after every new thing, I I will test myself. I will test myself. I don't know why I'm writing this, but after every new thing, I will test myself. Like, not like I will not be memorizing the code. I will try to implicate it. Like, of course, it's the most efficient version of it. You can't implicate it in any other way aside from this, because it's literally there's no bullshit going on here. That is the exact thing. So what I'm thinking is, I want to test myself that, let's say, can I even recreate even like this 60% of the stuff. If I can complete 60% of stuff, I can move on to the next thing, or else I have to understand everything what's going on. That way I can ensure that I'm actually learning, not just following code. Because let's say, okay, I can build crazy amount of stuff, but if I'm asked to do it again, I probably couldn't, because the understanding at that time was different, and my understanding at this time is now very different. So I want to keep constantly testing myself, so I don't end up like a wasted potential, because everyone can follow a tutorial. So, and let's say if I wanted to do something else, this that what I want to do, I want to do something on my own. So that will help probably. That will help very much. Like, see this. So what happened here was, we created another variable, so that is a process, that is a function that tells this image RGB, that processes that is through hands. So hands comes in under media pipe. So in hands it processes the image, and it prints this thing is another cool function. Is a function, yes, a function. So multi-hand landmarks is a function in media pipe. See, you think, how is that actually media pipe? So see, it's in chain. So let me do that everything again. So let's see, there's a media pipe, and then there is what, solutions. The solutions is here. Solutions is this folder right here. Okay, okay. While making this, I think that I'm doing too much, but I am actually learning. I don't even care if anyone sees this. I'm just documenting for the sake of documenting. And I wish you see this. What am I saying? Okay, so see in Python, this part, this see solutions folder is there. Okay, so in solutions folder, see, in media pipe, there's a solutions folder that comes in the Python. Okay, I don't think. Okay, let's just see. Let's just see if I write Python dot solutions. Okay, what? Huh? Wait. So this should not happen. Like the five dot. Wait, this is a module, and Python is not. Wait, what? Is this the solutions? As you can see, hands is here. Hands dot py. This is the thing, but solutions also, like, Python should work. Like, no. Media pipe Python. I think it should. Just see this. No, no. Okay, it's detecting Python. Okay, let's see if can I can I rename this? Can I rename this Python one because Python one still no. Hmm. So like solution. Okay, now it's detecting it as a module. So this is also module, right? Okay. So what if I could change this? Okay, so let's say name this solution zero. No? Sure, solution zero. Oh, okay. It's any other function now. Wait, what? Media5.python's our solution. I replace this. Uh, okay, okay, okay. Just test some stuff. Oh, why is it not working? Okay, let me. Oh, so it should work, right? No. Is there like a library that is defined? It is the spelling right? Huh. Solution. Solution. Okay. So there has to be something like that, right? That reads this independently. So anyway, what's going on? Solutions, and in solutions there's hands, and in hands you see hands. There's this dot hands. This is a function. This is a function, and in hands, um, okay. So this hands is so this hand is also has process in it. So hmm, wait, empty hands is empty solution dot hands, and hands is empty dot hand. Okay, so this is a function, right? Or this is a variable. Okay. So these are two independent things. Okay. So dot hands. Okay, so hands MP hands. So MP is this. So okay, so hands there's a function and there's process and process. And result has process and we use results and this has multi hand landmarks. Okay. Okay. This is the chain. So basically we are accessing that. Okay. Okay. So see. Okay, I've activated this. So damn, it's so accurate, bro. Okay, I'm playing around with it. So damn, it's so fast. I thought I had a poor PC, so that will like be very slow. But damn, this is fast. Okay, it's very fast. So I'm just playing around with it right now. So what is happening? You see this results. this hands that is processing processing it, and the image RGB. For what is image RGB? So image RGB is a variable, so that okay, so image is captured read. So image is a image that is read by OpenCV that captures my camera, and it is converting the color from BGR to RGB, because OpenCV uses BGR, but the uh, what do you say, the media pipe is trained on RGB, so it's RGB. So yep. Oh, bro, it's so fast. Okay, my God, it's not working now. Wait, did I break? No, it's not end. Wait, did I end it? Because it's not detecting it anymore. Okay, is my camera off or something? Yeah, I guess. Camera is not working, I guess. No, no. Started working again. Okay, I can. Okay, what the hell? Okay, just so you know, my camera is not seeing my hand right now, and it's glitching a lot. Okay, let's start again. Okay, okay. Yeah, this was not coming through. This is good. See, hand, no hand, no. Okay, no hand. So hand, no hand, hand, no hand. Now, man, it's fast. It is fast. Okay, okay. This is. Okay, I'm just playing around now. AI is kind of crazy, not gonna lie. Okay, it's not AI. Okay, AI. It is AI. What am I saying? Okay, so some cool stuff happened. So let's do it again. So see MP draw hands. So MP draw is again a variable, and draw hands is same as this. This is also Python script. Uh, it can be anything other than a Python script. It's working as a function, so it's that. So, and second of all, let's see what's going on here. So see if results dot multi hand landmarks. So this is something that I had trouble. So see, results is just processing of the hand. Okay, so so results dot multi hand landmarks. So I don't understand this multi hand landmarks. Okay, 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 okay. So see, okay. So it is processing the hands, okay, and it's storing it as in results. So results is like a very big. Okay, let me show that thing actually. So what I'm thinking is that wait what, bro. So what I'm thinking is that results stores a lot of stuff in very complex machine code, or any kind of coordinates, or vector coordinates, or anything that is uh, efficient for it. Okay, so results it processes in that. And what we're using multi hand landmarks is like a function that processes the hand in coordinate, processes this information in coordinates and gives us the coordinates. So what we're seeing this things landmarks. So this is the work of multi-hand landmarks. So so we are saying if results dot multi results dot multi-hand landmarks. Okay, by default it means true. So if results dot multi-hand landmarks gives anything like landmarks, we don't want none. So if it's none, then it's going to be false. So this is not going to happen. So for an we created these MP draw hand. So I'll say and for hand LMS is again a new variable. So in results dot okay in these coordinates. Wait, for hand LMS in these coordinates, MP draw hand. Okay, okay. So so what I'm thinking saying is that hand LMS is a variable that is under this domain, is under results dot multi-hand landmarks domain. Okay, like let's take an example. So hand LMS has these. Okay, so what is happening is these are the domain of hand LMS, and draw landmarks is again a function, and these draw landmarks, wait, landmarks, right? So what? So, mul mutly okay, sir. Okay, sir. Enough left. MP draw hands again variable. This is a function that is going to. Okay, the reason why we used image instead of image RGB is no, we don't want to process anything. We want the landmarks to be drawn in the same thing that we're displaying, which is the image. So if we let's say if we did image RGB here, we have to do it again here because it's going to display in that thing. And hand LMS is the domain. Okay, so it captures the coordinates, the domain by hand LMS, and it draws landmarks according to it. Okay. So I guess this is the XYZ is the portion of the zeroth portion. Let's see here. Let's go to the hand script again for some insight. Let's go to the hands again. Okay, so see drawing utilities and all things are here. Let's go to hands again. So see, where is that? Yep. So I guess it's capturing this zero and just using this zero and if it is only capturing zero, won't it need like another at least one more um coordinates to make my full hand? Or is it just is it like a function? So it is trained on an average hand. Okay, it can be like that. It can be like that. No, okay, okay, okay. Hand drawing utility. Just let's just see if they're here. Okay. So uh hand drawing utilities. So hand drawing utilities should be. It's not here. Okay. What? Hand drawing utilities are not here. Drawing utility. No, download drawing utilities are here. Yeah. Hand drawing utilities are not here. Let's see. It doesn't underscore like separate sans. Hands drawing utilities are not here. Drawing utilities are. Hmm. Interesting. Uh, okay, I wanted to say that underscore means that hands plus the drawing utilities, but I don't think it works that way. It can be like a very like somewhere in here, I guess. No, can be like, but hands are here. Hands are here. So hands test hand. Nope, no hand. Okay, so what if I do drawing utilities instead of hand? Let's just do that. Okay, nothing is going to happen. Okay, that's good. So let's see. Multi-hand landmarks. We had multi. We also don't have that. We don't have anything with an M. And it's not in solutions. Okay, it's a function that is stored where You know what? I'm just gonna follow. I'm just gonna follow this tutorial right now for some for learning. So, but I don't see this, or I don't see this, and this is in. Okay, let's assign the. Is this in multi-hand landmarks? Hmm. That's something. Isn't it this? Okay, okay. I guess it is in this, right? This has to be here. Can we find it though? Just multi handstand selection. No, I mean it is supposed to be here. OpenCV packet, yes, Python. Okay. Okay, I'm not. You know what? I'm not gonna dig deep. So let's say it's not a very major function, and it's under somewhere. The this function and this function are under solutions somewhere. Let's figure out that only. Hmm. So let's say I guess we are done, right? We okay. He just runs after this. So let's run. Okay, the TensorFlow. Did you mean drawing utilities? Yeah, okay, yeah. MediaPipe presence no under the handwriting ability. Wait, what? What did he do? He was drawing utilities too. What the fuck was I doing? Okay, so multi-hand landmarks is not a function. Okay, we got drawing. Let's, let's just save and run it again. Whoa! Whoa! Oh no way! This is crazy. Okay, this is crazy. Oh my god. Okay, okay. So let's say let's say if I did this. Okay, how are you coordinating through all that? Oh my god, how are you coordinating in real time? Okay. Let me think. Okay, so what I was surprised. Let me show you in. Let's. Whoa. Okay. So that's. Yeah. So what I was thinking was something like something like this. So what I was thinking is it gets the zero coordinate, and it is designed that one will be here and two will be here and two will be here, and then this will be here and then this will be here and this will be here and this will be here, this will be here, so such that it creates a hand. Like I get okay, it's like that. I thought this was, but for this to happen, it is going to be for this to happen, you would kind of need two coordinates, right? So if it's not the case, the size of hands will vary. So let's say if I have a really long thumb, if this is like this, it will create a palm and it will just register up to this point. This is like let's say this. It's not going to register to the tip. So for the tape to be registered, it would need to have coordinates of like at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 hands tip and one here. So it will need to have 6 coordinates. So okay. So in results, it is I guess accessing like at least 6 or 8 points in results. So but we are printing. Multi-hand landmarks. Okay, okay. So we are printing the landmarks. You're not printing the whole result. What will happen if we will print the whole result? That's the C. Okay. Okay. I don't want to mess the code up, but let's see. Let's see what will happen. We just print results. Hmm. Okay. Wait, what? Yep. Python solution based solution outputs. Okay. It's not an outputable word. So it's not very what do you say? Yep, like I said, not very user friendly. It's not going to. It is going to result in its own. It is not meant to show output. It is meant to process everything. So let's see. What is the next step? Okay. So guys, let's say see. It is now tracking my hands. So and okay, I have not done anything today. I slept the afternoon, and it's already 10. So I guess I'm going to study now because I need to. So that is it for day 4. Okay, I mean I accomplished my goal. Okay, if I see the tutorial guy, it's very like in day 4 I should have completed the whole tutorial. But see, point is I'm not trying to copy paste. I'm trying to learn everything that I know. So that it takes time, of course, but I'm taking this a bit slow because let's say I have some time to take it slow. So then this let's sum it up all again. Very simple code, very big stuff. Let let's sum it. Okay, let's see what bro. Okay, okay, okay. I don't have it. Okay, let's sum it up. Let's write all the functions around it. So we got CV2 and media pipe. We got okay. Let's see. It captures my webcam. Video capture 0, webcam number 0. Okay, it captures my video. We use it to convert. We use it in image. Uh, um, okay, read. Okay, we converted it into image, and now we convert this image into an RGB. It was an BGR before. Now main card. We use MediaPipe to first of all we use MediaPipe hands function to what was that hands. Okay, so we use hands to let it uh okay, so oh yeah. Hands function is only for like the probability. So uh for the AI to make a assumption if this is a hand or not. So if it hand and it registers it, if not it will just not register it. Okay. So it processes that. So okay, we got this and MP hands the hands. I guess it stores something some okay, this processes if this is a hand or not. This amplifies it. Okay, what does this? Okay, let's just say we do not know. Let's just say that uh this stores the coordinates, or something. It stores some information about the hand. Okay, so now we created that, and we have another function hands which stores some information, and we use a process function to process everything that is stored in this. um okay, so see, hands, if true, it reads it. This is transferred now to this function, which is given to this function, which results as something, some information about the coordinates. And we use another function, multi-hand landmarks, to give out the landmarks of the coordinates of the information that we captured. So the landmarks, let's see the landmarks. Let's show you these are the landmarks. These were things. I don't think we need to store it anymore. So let's just make it a comment. So now what is happening here? So clean some stuff up. Okay, okay, let's write down here. Okay, for so if results was a variable that captures the process function. So if results dot hand landmark, so okay, so results dot hand landmarks, that hand landmarks is not equals to none, or I mean if gives uh anything that, like, any value other than none, then it's true and the function proceeds. So for hand LMS, which is a very major function for, not a function, it's a variable. So hand LMS is has a domain of this exact thing. So it has a domain of this. Hmm. Okay, so the landmark is the domain of hand LMS, and it says to the drawing function that we have here to drawing utilities. The drawing, it tells the drawing functions from where to draw from. Yep, yep, it does that. Okay. Okay, hand LMS is the coordinate. Let's just say hand LMS is the coordinates, and image is the thing. Okay, hand LMS is storing the information of the landmarks, and the draw landmarks is using the drawing utilities to from draw on this from this. Okay, okay. And so we have already said it. Wait key means capturing frame, how much capture frame per second. And image, I'm sure image, if we can write anything, let's say hand project, it is gonna display that. Okay, what was image again? Oh, okay, okay, so let's just do it and end this video now. So thank you guys, this is all for day 4. Let's see you tomorrow.